We in the GSX, ladies and gents.
Damn, look how busy this place is.
We go out to get some pizza.
Oh, yes.
We got some oil. We got some spark plugs. We're gonna do some basic maintenance. Gonna fuel up, get some food.
3 spark plugs.
And then we're gonna fucking start grinding out on this bitch. This is clean as fuck though, guys. I mean, you can't really see it right now, but we'll get a little close-up view when we get into the light.
Yeah, once we get in the garage, it'll be a lot easier to see.
Yep. There she is.
4B63D.
We're about
Stock
to do
as a motherfucker.
first oil change on the Eclipse.
Stock as a motherfucker.
Look at that wheel gap though, guys. Look at that shit. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
I can fist it. You like being fisted? There you go.
There it is, baby Evo.
Yep.
This is the first time I'm seeing it. It's actually not too bad.
Nope. 20.
All original, guys.
23 years old. All
Fucking
original.
stock.
All original. Everything. Stock blow valve, bypass valve, fucking intake.
Yep. This is it.
And I don't know if you guys ever noticed, but the reason why the Eclipses have this huge dent in their hood here, see it? Which is pretty cool. Kind of adds
Oh yeah,
to it.
yeah,
It's right here.
yeah. Yeah, cover right here.
Yep.
Nice. All right, so this is the first owner had this for how long? Most of the time, right?
Yeah, pretty much the
And
entire
then-
time. Besides, at one point in time, he sold it to some kid at University of Virginia, and then had it for a week, and then bought it back off the kid. The guy in that week, the dude had put lowering springs on it, and he took them off and got it back to stock.
Look at that. He even kept the cards of like the guy from the dealership that sold him, the salesman. Look at that.
Yeah. The
Virginia.
car was brand new when test driven. I was the second person to ever drive the car. I sat in with 9 miles in the odometer, and I got out with around 21 on the clock. Car had plastic on the seats and white protective cover on the body. Trade value on the Miata came to $11,500. The trade in the Miata, apparently. That was the first time in dealer history more than the book value
That's a
was
lot
given
for
a car.
Miata.
Yeah.
Yeah, look at
More
that.
than given for a car. This made the difference of $13,853.
Yeah.
I mean, look.
This is a binder full of
Pre-delivery
receipts, guys.
Inspection, 1998, 129, 1998. Look at that. All the stickers.
Yep.
Owner random stuff. Repurchase of the vehicle. So he rebought it. Look, Mr. Hand, Micah Hand, University of Virginia student. Mr. Hand had installed aftermarket in-track springs, which lowered the body and made for excellent handling. However, I had the dealer reinstall that factory springs due to warranty consideration.
Yo, this guy's writing a novel.
Dude,
This is a straight up novel. Look at this.
this is when he bought it back.
Repurchase.
He rebought it from that kid
That is insane.
and then kept it his whole life. Emails from the kid.
You should get in contact with this guy.
Emails from the kid.
See what he's doing now. Hey man, I still got your original car and
Car price is
your
gone
binder.
wrong. That was the car report. This is when he rebought it right here.
Hey, look at Debbie though. Look at
Yeah,
Debbie.
man.
Look at
Deb.
Debbie.
Looking good. Fucking 1998, Deb. Woo! She's probably 100 now.
I mean, what are the chances of getting a
Look,
car
his receipt
from the 90s
and having everything.
and having everything? Yep. Carfax.
Original Carfax. Note 6.
Look at that. Beautiful.
Real shit.
Hey, how are you?
Look, spec sheets. Look, this is the exact specs on an Eclipse GSX. Here we go. Where's the weight? Curb weight, manual transmission, 3157.
That's light. Sweet.
210 horsepower, 6,000 RPM. Watch out. 214 pounds of torque at 3,000. Dang.
All right, so finished up the short shifter install. There it is, finished product. Yeah, we only had trouble with that C-ring that was underneath, that connected to the bottom point of the shifter. So that was the only thing that we had issues with. So we actually ended up like losing it. So it's like down underneath, like it was long gone. So we just got some extra C clips and then, or C rings or whatever, like the little small ones, and then just finished it up. But yeah, that's how it looks. And Now we're gonna go and change the spark plugs. Brad's getting that ready now. And then we're gonna put the new headlights off because these things need to be changed out. Right, Bradley? Say right. There you go.